Hey everyone, so today I want to talk about some photos that I took in a recent snowstorm, and I shot a roll of 800T CineStill, and I shot that at night while it was snowing out around my town, Joplin, Missouri, and I thought some of them came out really cool, and I'm definitely going to revisit some of the locations at a later date and take some more time with the photos, but since it was like -5 out, I wasn't really sticking outside very long and kind of rushed these photos, but I really like how some of them came out. So I just want to show you those right now. So there was the photos. I really liked the one from the library, and I love taking photos of my Jeep, so there's always going to be a couple of those. But 800T has really been one of my favorite films to use recently, and I've actually stocked up quite a bit in the freezer just because I really like what it does to the lights, and I still need to shoot a roll in the daytime just to see how it'd come out. I think it'd be kind of cool. I do have a roll of 800T from basketball that I shot recently that I will be sending off soon to get developed. But if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.